So there are so many freelance platforms out there. You know Upwork, you know Fiverr, you know Freelancer. Some of these freelance platforms let you withdraw your money to maybe a Bitcoin wallet, some to Payoneer, some to PayPal. Some of them give you a dollar card. Some of them let you convert your money from dollars to euros to pounds to other currencies. There are so many freelance platforms out there. But by far, my favorite freelance platform of all time still is Golands. I've talked about Golands before. I talked about it, I think, before the whole coronavirus thing happened, or around that time, 2019, 2020. And over time, it has even evolved and gotten better. For those of you that don't know what Golands is, it's similar to Upwork and Fiverr. You can use it to basically connect with clients. You go to their job market, you find different clients who are looking for designers, developers, assistants, different roles, right? So if you can bag a job through this platform, you're really, really going to enjoy it, because Golands gives you a dollar card that you can use to basically make payments. I've used the dollar card to pay for my Google Drive payment, and I've also used it to pay for games on PlayStation, and it worked fine. Apart from the currency conversion thing, they also let you withdraw money to a bunch of platforms. I think they have like 5 or 6. You can withdraw to your bank account, you can withdraw to your Payoneer account, you can withdraw to your Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum wallet, USDT wallet, USDC wallet, basically all those crypto options, right? And you'll see the withdrawal fees before you make a withdrawal. I've also tried connecting my GigPay or GPay to it, and it worked fine. So you can withdraw money from Golands to your GPay account, and the charge is just $2 for the transfer. That's the only amount that you'll be charged, just $2. That's it. I'm pretty sure it would also work with Grey.co. Sign up is free. I'm going to include a link in the description here so you can go ahead and sign up on the platform. Also, the verification is not as tight as Upwork's own. Sign up, fill in your details, start applying to jobs and to different clients. Before you start using it, I would say properly update your profile so that when a client reaches out to you or sees your profile, they'll know that you exist. You have a LinkedIn. If you do work stuff on Facebook and Twitter, you have a Facebook and Twitter account. All those platforms. Make sure you update your profile with all of that. So I think you should check out Golands. It's similar to Upwork and Fiverr, but it's way richer. It's richer, and I'm not even paid for this, so don't go thinking I was paid and this is marketing. No, it's not. It's not. I'm really, really trying to make your life easier. So it gives you a dollar card, let you withdraw to a bunch of places, let you convert your money to like different currencies. There are just so many things you can do with Golands, and it's just a freelance platform like Upwork and Fiverr. One of the coolest features I like on the platform is the payday advance feature. If you've been a freelancer on the platform, maybe like after a while, you'll be able to actually request money from Golands to basically receive your payment ahead of time before the client pays you. It means you can get an advance payment for the work you do for clients. You can already get paid ahead of time before a client even submits the money for the work you did before. It's really, really awesome. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will be giving you more tips like this in the future. Take care. Bye.